Hey, at the beginning of December 2022, I wrote a screenplay that I thought was pretty doable, so I got a few friends together, got some actors, and I made a short film. That short film made it to the Toronto Short Film Festival this past March. And at the time of this recording, there's still a chance that it might show at a few other festivals, but luckily for me, there's no rule against showing the film online before it's in these festivals, so here's my short film.
I don't love you anymore. That's not true. But I am leaving you. Why?
Is it because I told you not to leave the toothpaste like that?
Yes.
But don't you see how...
It's not about that.
What then?
Hey, I wasn't sure if you were gonna make it. Well, I'm so glad you're here. Hey, listen, I'm having some trouble with my car. There's like a light on the dash that I don't recognize. Do you think you could help me with that?
I don't know much about cars.
Oh, well, that's okay. Well, I hope you have a great time. There's lots of fun activities.
Why are you doing this?
You only forgive me with your words.
I only forgive you with my words.
Is this your cup? I forgot where I left mine.
It's not.
It's not what? Okay, is this your cup or is it mine?
I guess it's yours.
You don't know?
Hello?
I don't know. It was there when I sat down. So, what now? What's next?
Nothing.
So anyway, I hope you like my short film. I want to make a few more like this. Small, intimate, easy to shoot, single scene short films. You know, maybe a few more shots next time. I think these kind of moments are what short films are really good at. Catching fleeting emotions and instances in everyday life that disappear really quickly, but we all go through and we all can relate to. Anyway, thanks for watching.